Before the opening bell, U.S. futures are flat just below Monday's tops as U.S. indices closed in the green to start the week with the largest gain seen in the Nasdaq, up 1.05% in quite some time. This all as 74% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Apple in the headlines as its target price was raised to $175 from $163 over at Evercore ISI. The stock closing at $123.99 yesterday. Twitter's target price was raised to $80 from $55 over at Citigroup. The stock closing yesterday at $70.28. While taking a look at today's action, there's no major earnings due, but on the economic docket, we have a busy schedule before the bell. The combination of import and export prices as well as U.S. retail sales. 9:15 in the morning, we have the release of manufacturing production and industrial production figures. Then 10 o'clock in the morning, the NAHB housing market index as well as U.S. business inventories. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin this morning. That sees the bias remain bullish. Moving on, the Nasdaq 100 intraday continues to see a bullish bias above 12,980. This while the Dow Jones this morning continues to see the bias remain bullish, and that's what's in focus, as the relative strength index is bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 32,590 are favored, with targets at 32,970 and 33,140 in extension.